The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Asmodee. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad.
I'm Megan the Daughter.
And today we are unboxing Dream Home. Now this is from Asmodee. This is kind of like a Sims type of board game.
I like Sims.
You do like Sims.
It's a very good game.
Basically what we're going to be doing is setting up rooms in a house and
decorating them, furnishing them.
Yeah.
Whoever has the best looking house wins.
Well, that'll probably be you.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I would decorate the house as like a total man cave, you know, with a home theater and, you know, game room and all that.
Yeah, but I'm a girl.
Yeah.
I would have subtle geekiness, but then still girly stuff.
Yeah. Well, every wall in the house would be, you know, like posters of Benedict Cumberbatch and Matt Smith, David Tennant, the Supernatural guys.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, Megan, go ahead and do the honors.
All right. There we go. This is a pretty light box. So here we have the rule book.
Well, it's mainly cards.
Yes. So there's that. Pictures, lots of information, some diagrams here. Pretty good rule book. Some good artwork. Then we have some punch outs.
Those actually pretty nice.
Yeah, we've got like a tree house, a dollhouse, hot tub, like an artist studio here, piano, bed, some picture frames, ice cream maker. That's pretty cool. And there's a back.
Yeah, there's things on the back.
Points for a roof. I think that's our reference cards, and then those might be the point values on those. There you go.
I really don't know.
Don't know either. Here's our houses. So our individual player boards with your spots here.
Now, I'm assuming these are all identical.
Yes,
yeah,
they are identical. You get 4 boards. So there's those. Ooh, this insert's kind of cool looking. So that's cool. It's in the shape of a house.
This is maybe the first player marker.
That's
yeah, nice.
Cute.
That's actually nice and thick.
Yeah. We got a board here. So we've got that. I'm not really sure because we don't know how to play it, but got those.
Got a score pad here.
That's pretty cool.
Oops.
Lots of pages. Got 2 decks of cards. And you don't need them. Alright, so we have, looks like some empty rooms here. We're going to paint. That would be why, because the other cards are in the back. So this is deck 2 of 2, and then here's deck 1 of 1. You can go ahead and open. So here we have the living room and some different styles. For the style that you're going for, we have the kitchen cards here, and the bathroom. That's a pretty cool looking bathroom. That one, probably not so much. Got all the TP going off. So these are some pretty cool cards. That one's cute. And then we have, let's see, the bedrooms. This probably looks like the girls' bedroom. And pillow fight and all that cute little stuff. We have a playroom, some TPs, and a little kids' room. Ooh, we got a rocket ship. We have a library and a study. A game room. That's, you know, very important to have in house.
Yeah.
A sauna. Ooh, we're getting fancy. A pantry, a dressing room. And we've got garage cards here with some different, we've got a telephone box. Different things going on in there. Let's see, what kind of cards do you have?
I'm not really sure. So this is the 1 of 2.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like we've got some tools or some building material things. We got jackhammer, drill. Then you got a handyman, a supplier, a roofer, interior designer, an architect. And then
probably some things to help you
here's some of the other things. Treehouse. I bet these kind of correspond to those punch outs.
Mm-hmm.
So you have treehouse, hot tub, shelving, ice cream maker, piano. Yeah, it looks just like all of the punch outs we have. Birdhouses. Then we have
roofs.
These cards, yeah.
It said something in the rule book about roofs. I did see that. About how to plan, and then on the back of there's one cards it said how to use the roofing cards.
Yeah, here's some different colored shingles. Well, let's see. Well, we got brown, red, purple, and orange. I'm betting that's for each player.
Probably. You never know, though.
And then these look like maybe, let's see, it says living room, but it's got different
tiles.
scoring on there.
Yeah, that's what the other cards had too, yeah, on the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, and that insert, yeah, that does look kind of neat. It looks like
outline of the house, and you got like some brickwork here. It's pretty cool looking.
it's not really conducive to Gerberization though.
No, there's not really anything to Gerberize on
Well,
this.
the punch outs,
I guess they're probably gonna go here though.
Yeah. Actually, here, let's just do that.
Might as well. Yep. So they'll just fit.
And then I bet you can put the
Cards on top.
player aid over those.
Yep. So that way they all stay in there.
Or see how this is gonna, how big that's gonna be.
Just like that.
And then we put this in like so.
And that goes right there.
It actually kind of goes like this, I think.
Well,
As
it's
it's just
'cause of
sticking
that,
up a little
it's
bit.
Sticking up because of those. She tried again. See. There we go. I had it on the
Yeah.
lip.
And then that,
And
and
the book.
the rule book.
And an unboxing and a reboxing.
Yeah, and let's see what the backside looks like since we got this all put together. So it says, choose a pair of cards, plan and decorate your home, and score points based on your design. The nicest home wins. Yeah, I'm already going to call it. You're going to win. You're going to beat me at this game probably every time we play.
Most likely, but you gotta see how it goes.
Yep. So that is Dream Home, and we will catch you guys next time.
Bye.
If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.